Hey, what's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Can Polygon Matic really make you millionaire? Can Polygon Matic really make you rich or not? Rich, rich, rich. You know what, my friends? In this world, everybody want. I will become a millionaire. I will become a richest man in the world. But for this, you have to struggle. It sounds like that a lot of people want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market and they want to set his future. So same like that, Polygon Matic is one of the another coin, one of coin in a cryptocurrencies market. So let's talk about the Polygon Matic. Polygon Matic holders can be the future millionaire or not. Let's discuss. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you. My friends, first of all, if you talk about the currently price of the Polygon Matic, so 1.11 USD dollar is the currently price of the Polygon Matic. Furthermore, if we talk about the 24 hours trading value of the Polygon Matic, so volume is also going to increase. Market cap is good. Available supply, total supply, absolutely, my friends. In the previous month, I'm talking about the May month of the Polygon Matic. In the May, the price of Polygon Matic is explode. But unfortunately, now in the June month, in this month, the price of Polygon Matic is going to decrease. This month is the bad month of the Polygon Matic. In the start of June, the Polygon Matic is still falls down, still completely going down, Polygon Matic. But anyways, that's not mean that you're disappointed, my friends. In cryptocurrencies market, not only pumping, absolutely, every coin falls down for some time, my friends. Not for permanently, no, for temporary, for 1 day, for 2 days, for 1 week, for 1 month. But after 1 month, the price will again explode, will again start pump. That's how you can make a profit with the cryptocurrencies market. My friends, Polygon Matic price is low. My friends, 24 hours trading volume is good. Available supply is good. So, my friends, my personal prediction about Polygon Matic is that it absolutely, if you hold Polygon Matic for a long term, for 1 year, for 2 years, so that will make you millionaire. They will make you richest in the future. If you hold for long term, not for short term. If you invest for 1 month, 2 months, nothing you will get. Maybe you will get loss. But if you invest for 1, 2 years, I'm sure that you will get profit. Anyways, how do you feel today about Polygon Matic? Please also tell me in the comment box. What is your opinion about Polygon? Please also tell me in the comment box. My friends, as I told you that completely falls down in Polygon Matic in the previous month. Completely going loss in the Polygon Matic. Let me show you the price chart. That is the last 1 month price chart. And from this chart, everyone can understand, my friends, that price is going to down. Oh my goodness, a lot of people disappointed by this fast. No, my friends, don't be disappointed. Be patient and be wait for the pump of Polygon. Anyways, hope you like this video. Polygon Matic will make you millionaire. Congrats, you are the future millionaire. Thanks for watching this video. Click the subscribe button, like this video.